First is that, everybody overestimates their risk appetite. And, there are times when they underestimate their risk appetite. So, but those are very few times. Given that markets have rewarded people handsomely in the last couple of years, there has been extreme volatility, but with every volatility, market has bounced back sharply. Let me put it that way. But, people haven't seen any period where market remains where it is for 6-9 months and, really tests patience. So what people need to do really is that, they need to practice asset allocation. They need to understand their risk appetite more in terms of need for liquidity, more in terms of situational thought process that, okay, if 100 becomes 80 and remains there for 12 to 18 months, then what will it do to me? We should be open-minded and we should think how we will react if there are surprises. The other important thing is, always to keep in mind the base rates. The base rate is that over 32%, over 30 to 32 years since India's market liberalized, the long history is that Sensex compounded 14%. So 20-30% is not the base rate. It's not the order of the day. The second thing, if you take another example of base rate, if you take the entire market capitalization, on an average, 65 to 70% of our market is large cap. 70-80% of our market is not small cap and mid cap. Pareto principle is very much at play. On an average, 50-60% of our market and earnings component is bank, IT, pharma, consumer, these big sectors. It's not PSU, defense, railway, and infrastructure. Correct? But see, in the last 3 years, everybody's portfolio is cyclical, high beta, PSU, railway, infrastructure, small cap, mid cap, energy, utilities, right? So you can see that everybody's portfolio is away from the center of the market. Everybody has lost sense of base rates and lost sense of balance. So you need to align your portfolio more where you're more accepting of the base rates and the long-term trends. So what is the base rate? Where is the market and where you have been allocating? Is your portfolio in the market or in some corners, cracks and crevices of the market, operating in some tiny sliver? All of those things people need to be mindful about and bring the portfolio back to the center.